What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing brand new kicker speakers into the 2018 Tacoma. So without further ado, let's do it. First things first, you're going to want to start by removing the negative terminal on your battery. Moving on to the door, you're going to want to remove the plastic trim piece as well as the plastic piece behind the door handle. Once you remove those, you're going to want to grab a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws as shown. You're going to want to take out the trim piece that holds in all your buttons, and as well as undo the 2 electrical connectors in the back. To get the door panel off, you're going to want to pry out all the clips from the bottom up and then push the panel up to remove it. To get your stock speaker out, you're going to want to remove the electrical connector on top and then get the 3 Phillips head screws out all the way around. Moving on to your new kicker speaker, you're going to want to take your included wiring harness and match up both positive and negative connectors. Guys, that is it for this week's video. As always, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.